In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Shopify theme. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find a theme you like, add it to your store, and see it in your theme library, ready to customize. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of sections for managing your store. Find the one labeled Online Store and click on it. When you do, you'll be taken to the Themes section. This page is your theme library, where you can see your current live theme as well as any other themes you've added but haven't published yet. From here, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. On the bottom right corner, you should see a button that says Visit Theme Store. Go ahead and click that. Shopify will open the official theme store in a new tab or window in your browser. This is where you can browse all the available designs for your shop. Now that you're in the theme store, you have two main options for finding a theme. If you already know the exact theme you want, look to the top right of the page for the search icon, usually shown as a magnifying glass. Click on that icon, then type the name of the theme you're looking for into the search bar and press enter. You'll see results related to that name, and you can click on the one you want. If you don't have a specific theme in mind yet, you can explore by using filters. On the left-hand side of the theme store, you'll see various filter options. One useful filter is to choose between free themes and paid themes. Click on free if you only want to see themes that don't cost anything, or paid if you're open to premium designs. Take your time browsing through the themes that show up and click any theme thumbnail to open its details. When you click a theme, Shopify will load a preview page for that theme. Here, you can scroll through screenshots, read the description, and check features to see if it fits your brand and your needs. Once you've decided you want to try this theme, look toward the bottom right of the page for a button labeled Try Theme and click it. Shopify will now add this theme to your theme library. You might see a brief loading message while it installs in the background. After a short wait, go back to your Shopify admin and open the Online Store section again if needed. In your theme library, you'll now see the newly added theme listed there. From this point, you can preview it, customize it, and when you're ready, publish it as your live store design.